Children, good morning to all. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see chapter number 9, straight lines, the continuation which you have seen in the last video. Exercise 9.1 we are going to continue. Almost we have done 1 to 5 questions. The sixth question we are going to continue, children. Okay? Right. Okay. Next question, question number 6. We are going to see question number 6 now. What is question number 6? You see, without using the Pythagoras theorem, show that the points, 3 points they are given here. I mean, not a point, points are the vertices of right angle triangle. So, given points we have to say are vertices of right angle triangle. Usually, right angle triangle in the sense in a triangle, any one of the angle should be 90. That we have to prove. Okay, but here they said that. Without using Pythagoras theorem, we have to go. That means Pythagoras theorem in the sense usually we will find a distance, then sum of square of any one distance equal to sum of square of other two, in the sense we will say that one of the angle is a 90 like that. But here we should not use that method. Then what we have to use? Any other method, whether we have in the sense we have a midpoint, we have a slope formula, we have area of triangle, like that we can go. Slope formula, we have a perpendicular condition. What is the perpendicular condition in slope? Do you remember it? Yeah, product. Two slope product value is -1. When we have a like that, we can say that it is a, what it is? Perpendicular. See, suppose when you have a right angle triangle like this, suppose AB, C if you are taking, AB slope something and BC slope. AB slope 1, BC slope M2. When you multiple each, if I get a -1, it will be perpendicular each other at a right angle. What is the common vertex for AB and BC? B. So right angle at B, it will be coming. Or AB slope, AC slope. Suppose product value -1 if it is giving common vertex A, then right angle at A. Like that it will be going. Then we have to find all the three slopes. Slope of AB, slope of BC, slope of AC. All the three you find. Product of any two slope you will be getting -1. That time we can say that it is a perpendicular. Yes. So product of three slope we are finding. So product of any two slope you will be getting -1. If you get that, the common vertex at right angle we can say. Okay. The same thing I'm going to do now. The same thing I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all the vertices. I'll let ABC I'm going to take. So A point, what I'm telling, 4, 4, and B vertex 3, 5, and C vertex -1, -1. With the order I'm taking, or else you want to draw a diagram anti-clockwise, you want to take the name. That's not a problem. When you go to area only, we have to take the names. Otherwise, you just take as it is what they are given, A, B, C, D. Okay, right. Here A, B, C I took. First slope of AB, then slope of BC, then slope of CA. All the three slope I'm going to find. Then I'm going to check which, when we multiply, I will be getting -1. That's it. Okay, right. So first slope formula. What is slope formula, children? When points are given, y2 minus y1. Yes, x2 minus x1. That is the required. What is that formula? First, I'm going to find slope of AB. That is, I'm taking m1. So A point, I knows that A of 4, 4, and B point 3, 5. This is my x1, y1, x2 and y2. Let me go here. Y2 value we have a 5 minus, formula minus, y1 value 4, and x2 value 3, formula minus, x1 value 4. Now 5 minus 4, 1, 3 minus 4 I'm getting -1, which is equal to -1 is my answer. That is slope 1 equal to I got a -1. That is slope of AB. Understand? Next, let me go to other two slopes. So slope of BC. Slope of BC we are going, that is slope 2. So both the point we should write B point 3, 5 and C point -1, -1, and my x1, y1, x2 and y2. Okay, let me substitute here. What it is? The y2 value -1, formula minus, y1 value 5 divided by x2 value minus 1, formula minus x1 value 3. So what I'm getting? Minus 1 minus 5 in the sense minus 6. When we have a same sign, we have to add and put the same symbol. Sorry, same number. Add and same sign. Okay, right, fine. Here, same sign, then add and put the same sign. Then minus 1 minus 3 means minus 4. Yes, we can try to eliminate that in two table. 3 2s are 2 2s are. Okay. Then I'm going. My answer, what is that? Minus minus will be cancelled. Then 3 divided by 2. That is my answer. So m2 equal to 3 divided by 2. Right. Next slope of the third one, what Raja? Slope of CA. So slope 3, I'm going to find. C point minus 1 comma 1. Okay. Minus 1 comma 1. And A vertex, what it is? 4 comma 4. Then this is my x1, y1, x2 and y2. Let me substitute here. You will be getting y2 value 4, formula minus, and y1 value minus 1. Then minus into minus plus 1 you will be getting. And x2 value 4, formula minus, x1 value same, minus into minus plus 4. Have you noticed it? Sorry, minus into minus plus 1. Have you noticed it? Numerator, denominator, what my dear? Same. Then what I will be getting? When we have a numerator, denominator same, you will be getting 1 except 0 by 0. Okay, except 0 by 0. Numerator, denominator same, we can give 1. Understand? So slope 3 is 1. So now you just observe, we have a 3 slope. Which 2 slope when you multiply, you will be getting minus 1. Huh? M1 and M3 when we product, you will be getting minus 1. Am I right? Then, therefore, M1 multiply M2 equal to minus 1 into plus 1 equal to minus 1. That is, what is, see, this is slope of AB, slope of CA. What is the common vertex? A. Then it is a perpendicular at A. That's it. M3 ada Raja? Okay. Perpendicular at what is it? A. Okay. Then what is that? Line AB, line segment also we can say, not line, line segment. Line segment AB is perpendicular to line segment CA at angle A. Simple. Okay, Raja? A common vertex you have tried. Or else in finishing you can write that therefore the given points are formed a right angle triangle. The question is what? Question is what? Without using Pythagoras theorem, show that the points are formed a right angle triangle. Hence, one line you should write. Okay. Here. Hence, given points are formed a right triangle at A. Very simple. Okay. This you write. Is it okay, children? Is it okay, Daraja? That's it. Okay, ma. Next, we are going question number. Is it okay or what? Now, we are going to question number what? 7. Next one, we are moving. Question number 7. Yes, 7th one. Yes, what they are telling, we'll see. Find the slope of line. We have to find the slope. Slope of the line. Line they mentioned, it's very important. Then slope also we have to find. Slope. Then we'll see line in the sense of whether 2-point formed line or angle formed line or a direct line we are given. We'll see based on that which formula we have to decide. Which makes an angle 30 degree. Angle is given here. Angle is given. What is the formula for slope? Tan theta. Okay, angle is given. It's very important. With positive direction. Yes, angle is a positive direction. That is the formula we are using. Of y-axis. This is the very, very important clue they are given. Positive direction, but it's from the y-axis they are given. Measured anti-clockwise. Okay, the problem starts from y-axis. So we have to draw the diagram, then only you will be getting the point what I am telling. It's my x-axis and this is my y-axis, it's origin. And what they said, 30 degree measured from positive direction of y-axis. It means y-axis is here. If it is, if you measure like this, it will be negative direction. Am I right? Am I right? But what they mentioned very clearly, positive direction. Then from y we have to measure like this. We have to go. Then 30 will be here, somewhere else. This is my 30 degree because I'm going in the positive direction. Okay, right. But whatever the formula, m equal to tan theta, this is from x-axis only we took. Am I right? Even when I make a formula, when you are looking at the previous video, you come to know that the formula which I made from, what is that? Opposite by adjacent. Am I right? Opposite we consider from the base. Base means x-axis. Am I right? Angle also we consider from the x-axis only. So x-axis is very important. Either from here to here or from here to here. But it should be positive direction. Okay. So from here, let me consider what is the angle from x-axis to y? 90. 90 plus 30 you should use. Then only we can able to use that formula. Otherwise it is not possible. Okay. From 0 degree onwards I'm going, or from 180 degree onwards also you can go back. But whatever 30 lies in the what? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, what is tan? Negative. That is very important. Now I'm going, the theta, it's given that 30 degree, but plus 90 we are adding. Why? Because angle should be measured from x-axis. That is what. In between, if they are giving from y-axis, it's not. If they are given from y-axis, but formula applicable from x-axis only. Okay, that is what I'm taking from the x-axis. So 90 I'm adding because of to make from x-axis. Okay, then it will become what it is? 120 degree. And they asked to find the slope. Slope, the formula we knows that tan theta when angle is given. What is the angle? 120 degree. 120 in the sense it lies in the which quadrant? Second quadrant. So it will be coming in the negative. That is okay. But how we can able to split it? We don't have, yeah, very good. Again, this one. What is that? 90 plus 30. 90 means change or no change? Change to how? Card. It will be changed into card. That angle will come as it is. But 90 plus 30 lies in the second quadrant. So as per all silver teacup, silver means sine and cosecant only positive in the second quadrant. So tan is negative. We have to see question, not an answer. Don't see card. Tan. Only question we have to see. So tan lies in the second quadrant. So tan is negative. Okay. Don't see the question. Right. What is card 30 now? Root 3. Okay. So root 3 I'm writing this negative as it is. So this is my required slope for the given line. If you are going here, sir, I will go to the negative, I mean from x dash I will go, sir, in the sense, what I will be getting? The remaining part. This is fully 90. Then what is the remaining? 60. That's it. Directly you can go to tan 60. Yeah, root 3 you will be getting. It lies in the second quadrant, so minus. Like that. But very important thing, this you need to show of what? Which you have to show? 90 minus 30. Like this, 30 plus 90 I'm showing, no? How I'm bringing from x-axis. Like that. From x-axis to make, you can do like that. What is that? But angle should be like this, positive direction. Don't go from x to there. From here to there you want to, then only it will make a positive direction. That is very important. Better you go from 0 degree. That is always good. Understand? Right. Is it okay, guys? How we are getting the slope for the line? Is it okay? Then I'm going next. Question number 8. Question number 8. What they asked to find? Without using distance formula, what, my dear? Without using distance formula, show that the points are vertices of a parallelogram. What they are telling? Parallelogram. What is the parallelogram property? Do you remember? Equal. No, opposite sides are equal and diagonal bisect each other and parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. That is I'm going to use. Parallel in the sense, they said without using distance formula. Then opposite sides equal in the sense. Side I'm not able to use here because distance means side only. I cannot able to use side. Then what is next condition? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Parallel I'm going to use. When parallel, what is the slope condition? Very good. M1 equal to M2. That I'm going to use here. Understand? M1 equal to M2 I'm going to use. Okay? Right. So first let me draw the diagram. Simple parallelogram. Let me draw. I'm not giving the name anti-clockwise, just as it is which they given I'm taking. Okay, right. So this is my A. I'm taking A of -2 comma -1 and B of 4 comma 0, C 3 comma 3 and last vertex -3 comma 2. It's my C and D vertex. Okay, this is my D vertex. Right, all those things we have. Now we'll start to find a slope. How many slope we have to find? No. How many sides we have? 4. Then 4 slope we have to find. Okay, slope of AB, slope of CD should be equal. Then only we can say that AB parallel CD. Understand? Okay, one opposite pair is parallel. Like that, BC slope and AD slope should be equal. Then only opposite sides are parallel. In a quadrilateral, opposite sides are parallel. We can say that it's a parallelogram. First parallelogram, then only it is a square or a rectangle. Okay, first parallelogram. In a quadrilateral, opposite sides are parallel. We can say that it's a parallelogram. Okay, that is I'm going to use now here. So let me find the slope by using point. By using point, what is the formula? Y2 minus. Tell me you, Yukesh. Very good. Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. That I am going to use. So slope formula, slope of M equal to Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. Slope I'm going to use. Okay, right. First slope of AB. Slope of AB. That is M1 I'm taking. Okay. So what is my A vertex? A vertex -2 comma -1 and B vertex 4 comma 0 and it's my required x1, y1, x2 and y2. Right, let me substitute here. Y2 value 0, formula minus, y1 value -1. I already have a minus, then minus and minus plus 1 you will be getting. X2 value 4, formula minus, x1 value -2. Already we have a minus here, then minus and minus plus 2 you will be getting. Understand? So what I am getting, numerator 0 plus 1, 1 divided by 6. So my slope 1, that is slope of AB is 1 by 6. Same slope I want to get for CD, opposite side. Then let me check slope CD. Then slope of CD equal to first C point. I'm taking C point 3 comma 3 and D point -3 comma 2. So let me mention first what is my x1, y1, x2 and y2. Let's go here. Y2 value 2, formula minus, y1 value 3. X2 value -3, formula minus, x1 value 3. So what I am getting the numerator 2 minus 3, -1. Highest number contain negative, so we have to mention -1 divided by both are same sign. We have to add and put the same sign. Yes, minus will be cancelled. Then 1 divided by 6 equal to, this is actually M2. Let me take M2. Then slope 2 equal to what it is? 1 by 6. Okay, M2 equal to 1 by 6. Then what we can say that? AB parallel CD we can say because the slopes are same. Okay, then here you write. Therefore, M1 equal to M2 equal to 1 by 6. Then AB parallel CD. Let it be one answer. Okay, one is over. Then one more side. What all we have? Let me go one by one. Next, I'm going to find slope of a BC. Slope of BC I'm going to find here. Slope of BC. Okay, first B point. Let me write here. B point what, Maharaja? 4 comma 0 and C point 3 comma 3. Okay. Right. This is my x1, y1, x2 and y2. Y2 value what, Raja? Y2 value 3, formula minus, y1 value 0, x2 value 3, formula minus, x1 value 4. 3 minus 0, 3, 3 minus 4, -1. Then what I am getting? As -3 is the slope number 3. Okay, that is slope of BC or slope number 3. So I got slope 3 equal to -3. Same answer I should get for a AD, opposite side. Okay, that I want to check here. Then slope of AD equal to Then my required points, let me write. First A point, A vertex is what? Minus 2 comma minus 1, and D vertex there minus 3 comma 2, minus 3 comma 2. Then my required, what is that, is x1 y1 x2 and y2. Let me substitute here. Then we can y2 value 2 formula minus y1 value 1 minus 1. Then already formula minus, one more minus, now minus and minus plus 1 you will be getting. And x2 value minus 3 formula minus x1 value is what, my dear? Minus 2. Then minus and minus plus 2 you will be getting. Here 2 plus 1, 3 divided by, when I subtract this, minus 1, which is equal to minus 3. Then this is slope number 4. Then slope 4 equal to, I got minus 3. Then therefore slope 3 equal to slope 4 equal to minus 3. Then what are the sides? This is BC and AD. Then BC parallel to AD. So what I have, opposite sides are parallel we have. So what is it? You want to write the statement in a quadrilateral, opposite sides are parallel, then it's called a parallelogram. That's it. You can complete. Okay. That is I'm going to write. Right. Here what I'm going to write. That is, okay. Hence we will write. Hence in a quadrilateral ABCD, opposite sides are parallel, then the quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram. That you can write. Understand? That is the question says. Is it okay, guys? Is it okay or what? Is the question is okay? So through slope we are moving. See, even right angle triangle through slope, even parallelogram through slope. The slope, how we can use that you want to learn. Understand? If they are talking about perpendicular, product of the slope is -1, that you think. And slopes are equal in the sense you will be getting parallel. That is also we can use. Understand? Right. One more question. We are going question number 9. Shall we start question number 9, pa? Right. Next one we are going question number 9. What is question number 9? You just say find angle between the x-axis and the line joining points. Line joining points they are given. When you join the, what is that, points, you will be getting line, it seems. So that angle from, between x-axis and that line we have to find. Let me plot the point, then you will be getting that idea. So what we have to do, this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. Here origin O if I am taking. See the point, 3 comma minus 1. Then 1, 2, 3, minus 1. So this is my point, 3 comma minus 1. One more point, 4 comma minus 2. Then here this is my point. This is 3 comma minus 1 and this is 4 comma minus 2. So when I join this, what I am getting is, just see children, when I join, this is my line. Am I right? When I extend, it will be touching the x-axis. So they asked very clearly, angle between x-axis and line joining the point. So x-axis line joining the point angle is this angle we have to find. This angle we have to find. Very simple children. Slope of the line only the angle you will be getting. Am I right? The line how much we have a slant, that is the slope. The slope equal to what? Tan theta. Then by using tan theta we can find what is the angle. Very simple. Am I right? You find first slope of the line. Then by using what slope it's making, if you get it, then what is the theta you can get very easily. Shall we find the first slope? Very simple. So let me take the point is a first point, 3 comma minus 1 and B is 4 comma minus 2. Then slope of AB which equal to formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here this is my x1, y1, x2 and y2. Then let's go with the substitute. Okay. So what is my y2? Minus 2. Formula minus y1 value minus 1. Then minus and minus plus 1 it will be. Okay. and x2 value 4, formula minus, what is that? 3. So what I'm getting? Minus 2 plus 1, you will be getting minus 1. So 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 3, what you will be getting? 1. Then what is my slope? Minus 1. What is my slope? Minus 1. Slope in the sense, m we can say. M in the sense tan theta, I know. What is this? Tan theta. Right. In tan theta, where you will be getting minus 1? That you wanna think. Listen, let me tell you. Very simple, children. This you draw in the dotted. Okay. Here, if it is 45, here what you will be getting? Tan. Tan 45 is what? 1. Am I right? Same 45, suppose comes in the second quadrant, what it is? Yes, that's it. If it is, see, this is 45, so we are getting a 1. Here 45, then you will be getting minus 1 because it is lies in the second quadrant. Then 90 plus 45. What it is 90 plus 45? In 135, you will be getting tan minus 1. Simple. Then where you will be getting minus 1, sir? One more point. If you extend this line, here one more 45, then what is this? Plus 1 you will be getting because third quadrant plus. Then what is that? 180 plus 45. 180 plus 45 what? 225. There you will be getting plus 1. Then where you will be getting minus 1? Extend this. Extend this is. This is 1 more plus 45. This is 270 plus 45. Then 3. What? 315. Okay. There you will be getting negative 1. Okay. There you will be getting negative 1. The first one will go. First one will go. No need to come here. The first one I'm going to give. The white line and all you just remove. No need to go. Okay. White line. Just for understanding purpose I gave this. Understand? Understanding a purpose only I gave. This you want to draw. If you want to draw, you just draw. Right, let me go here. So, where you will be getting, where you will be getting minus 1 I said, tan, yes, tan 135 equal to minus 1 from trigonometry table, you know. So, instead of minus 1, yeah, you can say that tan 135 and tan when you cancel, you will be getting 135. This is one step. Or theta is equal to tan, when you take inverse function on both sides, tan and tan inverse will be 1. Then here you will be getting tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 in the sense, what it mean? Where you will be getting 1, sorry, it's a minus 1. Where you will be getting minus 1 for a tan. That is the question. Then you will be getting for 135, you will be getting the minus 1. So directly you can write this. Either the previous, is it? Both are okay. Okay, right. So, you will be getting tan equal to 135 is the required. It's very important, children. Even one more I said, 270 plus 45. Okay. So, 315 you will be getting. There also, you will be getting tan 315 equal to minus 1. That is also you can give. I hope book back one answer they given. One is enough. First one is enough. Is it okay, guys? How we are getting? The minus 1 is very important. How we are getting? Okay. Tan is negative in second quadrant and fourth quadrant. Here only you will be getting minus 1. Either that or this, you just use it. Can I go next? We have a 2 period, 1 and 2. Can I go next? Okay. The last one, then this exercise is over. Okay. Yes, what it is, we'll see. The slope of line is double. What they are telling you, just see, children, slope of line is double. Then what they are telling, first you write slope. Slope of line will take something, some name will take first. Slope of line, what you will take? Slope of line, let me take m. Simply I will take m. Okay. Then another line we are telling, for that something we have to give, no? One more line. Slope of another line. How they are given, the same manner you just go. Another line will give m1 or shall we take m1, m2 or m1? That is our wish. Can I give m1, m2? M1, M2 I will give. It's better, no? Slope 1, slope 2. Slope of line M1, slope of another line M2. They didn't mention what line. Just two line we have. Line 1, line 2, M1, M2 like that. Okay. Right. The condition. Given condition. Given condition, they are given something. What they are given is, see, slope of line. Slope of line is M1. Okay. Is in the sense equal. Understand? Doubled the slope of another line. Doubled the slope of another line is what? M2. Do you understand what they are given condition? You just apply it. So slope of line is doubled another line. The slope of first one equal to double the second one is the condition they are given. Right? What they are asking? If the tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3. So tangent means they mentioning tan. Okay, nothing. Tangent also, one more thing we can say that between angle also we can say. Okay, between angle what they are given here? What they are given here? Tan theta. What they are given? Between angle 1 by 3. Okay, tan theta. If the tangent of the angle between them, in the sense between these two line, slope or angle. Angle means it's a theta equal to something or tan inverse of something, or you can take tan theta equal to also, not a problem. 1 by 3. Find the slope of the line. Means M1, M2 is what we have to find. Means M1 and M2 is what we have to find. First, is it understand the question? So what is given? I'm taking, slope 1 for line 1, slope 2 for line 2, given condition. First line slope equal to double time the second line slope they are telling. And the tangent of the angle is given, between them is given 1 by 3. That means tan theta, angle means tan theta only. Okay, because angle between the two line, we know the formula. Tan theta equal to only, we are starting. Then angle between anything they are given, you take the tan theta equal to. Understand? So tan theta equal to 1 by 3 is given. Then we have to go, what is the slope? Means M1, M2 we have to find. It's a big work. Shall we move? Right. So M1, M2 is given. Tan theta is given in the sense. What is the formula? Angle between the two line. M1 is given pa, M2 is given pa, and tan theta is given. By using M1, M2, tan theta, what formula we have? Tan theta equal to modulus of M2 minus M1 divided by 1 plus M1 into M2. Do you remember the formula? Angle between two line. That is I'm going to use. Okay. So we know the formula. Tan theta equal to modulus of M2 minus M1 divided by 1 plus M1 into M2. This I'm taking. Understand? Tan theta equal to what they are given? 1 by 3. Apply. 1 by 3, which is equal to, you just change into any one. Here M1 equal to, they are given 2 times M1. Then better you just keep it. Then if I apply, everything will come in terms of M2. Let's come M2. We'll find M2 first, then we'll go to M1. Okay. Then M2, let it be as it is. Minus M1 value, we know what it is. 2 times M2. 2 times M2 divided by 1 plus M1 value 2 times M2 dot and M2 as it is. Is it understand, children? Instead of M1, just I'm substituting what? 2 times M2. That's it. I'm not doing anything there. Okay. Next, 1 by 3, let it be. Here, what I have? 1 M2 minus 2 times M2. What you will be getting answer? Minus 1 M2. So, minus 1 M2 in the same, that we can write just M2. Okay. Right. Next, what it is? 2 into M2 into M2. M2 into M2. M2 square. Okay. So, 1 plus M2 into M2. M2 square. What it is? M2 square. Do you understand here what I'm telling? 2 times M2. 2 I forget. 2 let it be. 2 let it be. 2 M2 square, because M we have it twice, and here we have a modulus. Okay, modulus in the sense whatever we have to take only positive. Okay, but it contains both negative and positive. Here whether we have to go double case or single case. We'll go to single case, then we'll see based on that. Okay. But if you are going double case, I mean with the negative one, with the positive one, if you are going, we can go with the double case. Let's see whether you are going with the double case or single case. Based on the book bag answer, we'll go. First, I'm taking only positive. 1 by 3 equal to plus M2 divided by 1 plus 2 times M2 square. Take cross multiple, children. I'm taking only positive. Two case we can go, but with the negative also we can go. Okay. Modulus means it contain both negative and positive. With the positive I'm going. With the negative also we can move. Again I'm telling. Okay. Take cross multiple, then 1 plus 2 times m2 square, which is equal to 3 times m2. That you bring opposite. Then 2 times m2 square. When you bring opposite, minus 3 m2. This plus 1 equal to 0. Now what it is? It's like a quadratic equation. So we have to take a I factorization for this. 2 into 1, 2. Coefficient of m2 value is minus 3. Then 1, 2s are, both are negative when I give. I will be getting minus into minus plus. 1, 2s are 2. When I add, I am getting minus 3. But we should divide by what? Coefficient of m square is what? By 2 by 2. Understand? Now cancel this one time. How many time? One time. Then the answer is what? M. What I am getting, opposite sign is my answer, or else you do it one more step. Can I write directly opposite sign? Right. Then M2 equal to, opposite sign in the sense plus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 in the sense plus 1. So M2, I'm getting 2 answers. Okay. Take this, substitute here. Substitute here. Then you will be getting M1. Am I right? Can I go? So this is my required answer, children. Now 1 implies, what is my M1? When I substitute first, which will go? First let me substitute, listen. First let me substitute M2 equal to 1 by 2. Then what does 1 implies? Then 1 implies, what I will be getting? M1 equal to 2 times M2. M2 value is what? 1 by 2. Then 2 will be cancelled, I'm right? 2 you can cancel. So what I'm getting as answer? Plus 1. Okay, this is one more slope. If M2, if I take plus 1, then 1 implies M1 equal to 2 times M2. What is M2? 1. 2 into 1, 2. So I'm getting 2 to answer, okay? Again we cannot, okay, I'll do. It will become little small. Right, so therefore, M1 equal to 1, 2 and M2 equal to 1 by 2, 1. That is our required answer for case number 1. I hope case number 2 also given. Check the book back. Check the book back what they are given. Only this is given, and apart from the answer something they gave. Question number 10, new textbook. Anything given? Case 2 is there. That is what. Case 2 also we have to go. So case 2, let me go, children. So here, this is case 1. Case 1, I took a positive M2. Then if you are taking negative M2, what will happen? That is case 2. Okay. And here let me take case 2. If I'm taking negative, where from here onwards? Let me take star. Then star implies I'm taking plus 1 by 3, which is equal to minus M2 divided by 1 plus 2 times M2 square. See, when we have a modulus, we should take only, what is that, plus. But sometime, it contains both, right? So both in the sense, we should apply both the answer. Then only you will be getting what is the accuracy. Okay. So they are checking the both here. And that's what when I go with the one question, modulus of x2 minus x1, one question I gave. I think third or something. Find a PQ, when PQ parallel to x-axis, PQ parallel to y-axis, there I gave modulus. Because whenever plus minus we will be getting, we can give a chance for both. That is what we made. The same manner here. I'm going with the negative. Take cross multiple. I hope the same thing will come in negative. Let's see. Take cross multiple. 1 plus 2 times M2 square, which is equal to minus 3 times M2. Bring it opposite side. So what I am getting? 2 times M2 square. When I bring opposite, plus 3M2, this plus 1 equal to 0. So when I take I factor, 1 2s are 2. Coefficient of M2 value plus 3, then 1 2s are. That's it. and 2 we have to divide. The same concept. I'm not doing anything extra. The same thing. 1 cancel. Then my answer is what here? Opposite sign. So m2 equal to here plus 1 by 2 in the sense minus 1 by 2. And here minus 1. I got a m2 value like this. Then if you substitute in the 1, you will be getting m1 in the 2 different answer. See, the same thing we are getting the opposite sign. That's it. Okay. Right. If m2 equal to minus 1 by 2, then what implies what I'm getting, you see, m1 equal to 2 into m2. 2 into m2 value minus 1 by 2. So when I cancel, minus 1. So this is my m1. Okay, right. Next, one more. If m2 equal to minus 1, then what is my answer? 1 implies m1 equal to 2 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 2. So what we can say that, therefore, m1 equal to, what I am getting, minus 1, comma, minus 2, and m2 equal to minus 1 by 2, comma, plus 1 by 2. So this is for case 1, that is for case 2. That's it, children. Is that your required answer? It's very important. Maybe they may ask in the 5 mark also. So you just listen that. I told you the formula itself, it's a 5 mark formula. Okay. So very important. That's it. One more question we have. It's over. One more we have. Right, fine. So we are going the 11th one. Children, 11th one. One more question we have in this exercise. 11th one. A line passing through. Line passing through. What is the point? A point they are given that x1, comma, y1, and one more point they are given h, comma, k. A line passing through this 2 point. Okay, right. If the slope if they mention, we should use slope formula. Simple. Okay, right. The slope of the line is m. Right, okay. Slope equal to m. We asked to use slope means m, you just use like that they are telling. Show that this is the thing like that they are telling. Then slope equal to what the formula we know? That's it. Then slope of m, which equal to y2 divided by y1, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Then let me denote that this is my x1, y1. Already it's x1, y1. Okay. x2 and y2. Let me substitute. You will be getting slope. They told to use m. Y2 value k minus y1 value y1 divided by x2 value h and x1 value x1. Take cross multiple, children, like this. Then what you will be getting? M into h minus x1 equal to k minus y1. Is that they are given? That's it, ends proved. That is they asking. The left hand side right hand is changed. That's it. That's the same one. That's it, children. The exercise is over. I hope you understood this everything what I did here. Kindly share this video if you like with your friends and subscribe and like. Thank you, children. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye. See you later.